butthole. I mean, we all knew it was gonna happen, but... I was hoping I didn't have to fight him. I don't know how, but I just blocked those, so that's cool. Pinwheel! Hopefully the snowy's enough. Mouthful sucks, man. Definitely gotta get him out of here. Nice. Super Shroom. Sure, I'll take one of those. How are we looking on items? Yeah, okay. Sure. Oh, these 3 of them. I wonder if I could start getting away with Peach and Mario splitting up their attacks and then Milo Snowy to kill 2. Probably can't do that. Actually, hey, we'll be able to figure it out right now. And I blocked a shocker somehow. Wait, do I still have illusions? I still have illusions up. Oh crap. I need to go pick up more illusions too. I need to run to Star Hill. Should be okay. Mario hit 77. I'm hopeful that the level cap isn't 100. That'd be really cool. If you can go to like 150 or 200 or something. Take a page out of Star Ocean playbook. King Nimbus is resting in bed. Absolutely no running in the halls, Queen Vantilia. So I mean that my mom and dad are here. Of course it's locked, Milo. Come on. Stand back. My dad's really bedridden. We shouldn't make so much noise. We need our plan. I guess we should find Valentina. Force the truth out of her. What about the door? That little exchange right there. Another. Yeah, alright. I can deal with the trip. Yeah, trip mouthful. Land of Snowy. This will then burn up the last 4 illusions I had, leaving me 0 to work with against anything behind this. But I'm hopeful. Still want to fork the damage just in case. There's 0 reason for me to take chances right now. Of course. Mario creature who beat up Smilax is here. Mario? What does a Mario look like? It has Bushy's mustache, long sideburns, and a pair of bean-looking legs. I feel like I've seen this Mario before. It was the statue the girl just delivered. Well, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Valentina? Well, we certainly aren't going to listen to your pointless chatter. Frankly speaking, I'm not going to worry. Without this key, the king can't go anywhere. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Even dumbass Dodo figured it out. I said shut up already. That isn't a statue, that's Mario. How utterly rude. Who blazes are you anyways? I'm the real prince, that's who. Brat. Private? Private? Everyone in a 10-mile radius could hear you. So long, chumps. Tina ran away. I shall fly the coop too. Hey, Dodo. Yes, this is a good idea. That's a good idea. Get out of here. I want to say there's a hidden box in here in vanilla, but I could be remembering wrong. Okay. Ooh, yes, please. Alright. Oh, damn it. See ya. Vanilla Star, hell yeah. Get Dodo real quick. Shit! Of course they did. As I'm falling. Hey, by the way, you got a level. Thanks, game. Can we talk about this later? I'm kind of busy here. Okay, so I got that one. Okay. Right now, Prince Malo is bathing in the hot springs. Must be so relaxing. What? 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 No, he isn't. Consarn it. Alright, making a detour. I do not want to deal with Valentina yet. I'm picking up some supplies. Haven't found more 1-up shrooms yet, but that's okay. Jesus, so expensive. Oh, hey, here are 1-up shrooms. Oh, jeez. It's okay. Those are easy to farm. And hell, I got gold bars. Let's maybe, just in case, let's maybe kind of check all our supplies. I hit up the goomlets. No. 5. I have a rule in vanilla. I always try to carry. Once I have Toadstool, and she learned to come back. I do not carry more than 6 pick-me-ups. And they're specifically for her or emergencies. Yeah, I feel like 5 large shroom shakes is a good number to have. 4 camping sets. Those. I want a maple. I really don't. I have jam and jelly. Wait, I'm gonna have to do one-on-one battle. Assuming the fight will be the same as vanilla, Dodo. It'll be a one-on-one battle with whoever's in the middle. So I'll grab a couple super shrooms just in case. Just in case. I'm also going to put... I'm gonna change Feather to the Royal Crown. Well, lowers defense a bit. Magic Plus? No. If anybody's getting Magic Plus, it'd be Malo. 274 magic attack. It's so damn much. 202 defense, 242 attack, 222 attack, 189 attack. That's her highest stat. The feather. I don't really care for the feather that much though. What does the focus badge do? Prevent sleep and KO. Block status effects. Just in case. I feel like that's a better idea. And then in case it's vanilla, we'll put her in the middle. It is a lot of prep, but trying to win here. Is the king showing any improvement? How is his wife? And Tubby or Prince Malo? You know what I think? I think, get out of here. The truth is, get out of here. The truth is. You know what I think? I think. Ah! Shut up, all of you! Better things to do than listen to your half-wit opinions. And look, while I've been wasting my time listening to your endless chatter, Mario has managed to find me. Dodo! Dodo! Oh, that bird has permanent brain cramp. He's got the Kanye West brain. I always love that. Mario just walk right up. Yeah, Dodo, help out. Shit. I might just throw this fight to put Peach back in the top slot. Maybe. We'll see. If I get 2 more good blocks, I'll keep going. Alright. Super it up. I want a Peach because she can heal for flowers, but, you know, this is fine too. Yeah. But now that just means I'm more stacked on this side. Let's see what this will do for me. $3K, it's fine. Okay. Well. Yeah, 1K is fine. Saves flowers, at least. course, I think we're gonna have Malo have a snack. Damn it. No reason not to. I got plenty of jelly. What do I have? 4? 5? I have a couple hundred flowers in my pocket. We're fine. Oh, let's not forget all the Curacolas. I have 6 right there. Yeah, I have hundreds of flowers in my back pocket. We're fine. Ooh, 4,600. I can hit harder. Dodo, how could you lose already? Well, come on, get over here. I fucked them up. Good job, Mario. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I gotta take out Dodo first. Is that a counterattack? Sleep. White hole. Damn. Damn, that was a move. Alright, I don't know who's next. I hope it's Peach. I forgot turn order since I flipped her and Mario. Okay. Okay, that works out quite nicely. That white hole move, man. Knocked Mario flat on his face. 7,300? Something like that? Not cool. Oh, geez, she's probably gonna do it again. White hole. Fuck. Are you kidding me? And now I lost a turn. Please just finish me, Miss Jiggles. My God. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be careful. I think I understand why the other file is at Nimbus Land. Either they just got here or they stopped at Valentina, because just damn, that was some power. Okay, so I'm going to assume that white noise is holy. White hole. I like white noise better. White hole, I'm assuming, is holy. So, halves holy, weak to thunder. Whoops. So if I'm correct, and that halves whatever she's doing to Mario, he's 72, 7,300, he'll be able to live through that. Should be, if I'm correct. Let's make sure we do this. Is holy. Oh, she puts people to sleep too. Poison, fear, and disable. Wake up pin. Okay, she has the crown. So she can't be put to sleep either. Okay. Because group hug and neg effects, holy star, and status effects. I don't think group hug heals sleep. That's fine. There's going to be at least some healing going on. I can live with that. Watch, Dodo chooses randomly, or always chooses Mario or something. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay, cool. She hits harder anyway. Her defense is worse than Mario's, though. Go figure. Okay, well, this is drastically different than what I had going on the first time. And it won't let me group hug. I don't like how it restricts some specials here and there. But, I mean, it's fine. I'll Royal Guard. Is that a heal as well? It is, okay. Okay. That was actually a lot better. If she keeps the auto life too. You know what else I'm gonna do? No reason to do that part again. Yeah, pretty sure Milo's best move, if he doesn't need to heal, his best move is to use Snowy. Nice. I didn't think I was going to get that. He should be able to take that hit better than that. My god. Whatever. That's why we get the Super Shroom. $2010. What was I doing in 2010? Oh, that should have been a Snowy. White hole. Damn, dude. Yep. That's annoying, but yep, that's what it is. Oh, it did wake up Mario. Or he woke up on his own naturally, but that was a little quick, I think. Whatever, I'll take it. Right, it's group hug that doesn't. Right. Okay. That is a powerful move, but it is holy damage. So I was right about that. I just need to make sure I keep max HP whenever possible. think I can manage that. Of course, now we're on to the next round with good old Dodo. Heals 10-4. Okay, she still has her auto life, so I like that a lot. Just hit Dodo. Right, he counters. See what Snowy does to him. Well, not bad. He counters that too, as is expected. Shit, wasn't paying attention. Oh, Peach is down. Bip bap, just kidding. Mario's down though. Whoops, that's not what I want. Wishing Star. Having Royal Guard is awesome. It's expensive, but it's awesome. I'm gonna give it a group hug. Hopefully Malo will live. Hopefully she'll live. Damn. So I think... whose turn is next? Damn it. Alright. Malo will cure Cola, because we're at 1 flower. Peach will... guard herself. Oh, wait. That also heals. That's not just auto life. Whoops. Whatever. It's fine. Yeah, small brain move. Small brain. It happens. This is not nearly as bad as what I did a couple times back. I was dealing with the Cactar. He damaged sponges, and then I just ran away like an idiot after killing one. I'm gonna swing. That wasn't nearly as bad as I was expecting. Don't get me wrong, the white hole is terrible, but yeah, we're gonna Shroom Shake Malo because he's next, I believe. Yeah. And he will also... he'll be jamming. And I'm going to use Royal Guard a little bit more efficiently this time around, because she needed a heal. Damn. And I'm really just spending a lot of turns recovering. Right, I'm pretty sure Peach is doing decent. Yeah, she's fine. She can swing a Dodo. I think that one's visual right when it's gonna pop. Krista's pretty easy. I time out Krista right when the icicle's gonna disappear. So let's see. Fuck it. Oh man. All for Kiro. It's fine. Well, I wasn't happy with Mario being asleep, but... Get the heal with Malo. Peach will bring Mario back. Cheaper than if Malo brings him back, and then... Mario's turn was first. We lost it anyway. Don't matter. This way saves us 2 flowers. It's not a bad round right there. Okay. Phase 4. How many flowers do we have? Sure. Do the snowy. I feel like I should Royal Guard again. I don't have the flowers. I didn't have before I did Snowy, but like that kind of makes me feel better to think that if I had it, just in case she does some kind of big party wipe all of a sudden. Unless it's just more of the same combat. I'm okay with that too. Okay, I thought I missed. Dodo's moving again. Ouch. Okay, Dodo's still untargetable, at least. Large shroom shake, shall I get... I don't want to lose a turn. Let's jam. Waste some flowers, it's fine. I'd rather Peach hits Valentina than Malo does with Snowy. Yeah, it's fine, I guess. Damn. Okay. If she's got some other trick, or if there's a phase 5. Or whatever. I blocked that once, I think. A whole one time. Oh, I think I'm gonna gamble on Peach's HP. She's got the auto life. I might cash in on that. We're down to 11 flowers. Cool. Gamble paid off. Oh, bitch. I forgot she does that. Oh, Mario's down. That hit harder. Oh, that hit harder all of a sudden. What's up with that, yo? Alright, hang on. Kiro. At this point, why take a chance? Just Kiro Cole. Get the flowers back. We can Wishing Star Mario back in. Just a pure recovery round. It didn't matter what we did. We couldn't get his turn back. So this is good enough. Damn. Whatever. She lived. I could have sworn he was done. Yeah. I mean, it's still going well for me. I hope. I don't know, this fight, every round that passes, I just get more tense. She's not doing a white hole. It's weird. Damn it. Damn. That's fine. That's fine. I wasn't as desperate for it this time. I just that whole round I just flubbed the whole thing. Shit. Oy. I'm missing my timing completely. What do we have left? I got one more. I'm not gonna snowy. Holy star. Fuck. Hit with stick. Not bad. Let's see what she does. I don't believe this. Show's over. We're getting out of here. This is the part that I always thought was interesting, to say the least. That's just how they take off. They're just... That was a rough fight. Not nearly as slog as Birdo, but... Got the key. Rush in there. Go meet his parents for the first time. Alright. Oh yeah, will do. Is there a box here? Something? The save is gone. That's not surprising. Let me... A Power Plus X? Is that an accessory? Ooh. Greatly raises attack and defense. By 80. Oh, Mario's 302 attack. Oh, the power. Where is it? Lucky Ring. And Malo, you get back the... That means there's a Magic Plus X. Where's regular Magic Plus? There it is. I mostly just... Okay, there's got to be a box in here somewhere. Yeah, alright. I mostly came in here for this. Alright. So now after that, that's... In vanilla, this is when you would meet Croco. Already did this. But now this is also open here. And he's gone. So, okay. But there's nothing else. I mean, I doubt, but... Alright. You never had anything new from Malo. That bummed me out.